Understanding the Triathlon Relay, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating topic, the Triathlon Relay. This term may sound complex, but don't worry. We'll break it down together, so you can understand and use it confidently in your conversations. Before diving into the Triathlon Relay, it's important to understand what a triathlon is. A triathlon is a multi-sport event involving 3 continuous and sequential endurance races. The word triathlon is of Greek origin, with tri meaning 3 and athlon meaning competition. Typically, a triathlon includes swimming, cycling, and running in immediate succession over various distances. Now, let's dissect the phrase, triathlon relay. A relay in sports refers to a race in which several team members take turns completing parts of the race course or performing a certain action. In a triathlon relay, teams of athletes participate, with each team member completing one segment of the triathlon, either swimming, cycling, or running. This format makes the race a collaborative and team-based effort. The triathlon relay is not just about individual strength and endurance, but also about teamwork and coordination. Each team member must perform their best in their segment, and the transition between segments, known as the handoff, is crucial. Teams must strategize on the order of their athletes and their strengths to maximize their performance. While the term triathlon relay originates from sports, it's sometimes used metaphorically in everyday English. For example, when people work on a project in stages, each handling a different part, they might say they are doing a triathlon relay of sorts. It implies a collaborative effort and a division of labor. I hope this video has helped clarify the meaning and usage of triathlon relay. Remember, language learning is like a triathlon. It requires persistence, practice, and sometimes teamwork. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to replay this video if you need a refresher. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.